Have you ever wondered what makes up the English language? Today, we'll explore the parts of speech. These are the building blocks of every sentence. There are 8 parts of speech to learn. First, we have nouns. Nouns name people, places, things, and ideas. For example, dog, city, and happiness are all nouns. Next, we have verbs. Verbs express actions or states of being. Think of run, is, and believe. They show what the subject does or experiences. Now, let's talk about adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. For instance, happy, green, and tall give us more detail. Moving on to pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. Words like he, she, it, and they are all pronouns. Next, we have adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Words like quickly, very, and well are adverbs. Now, let's look at prepositions. Prepositions show relationships between words. For example, in, on, and under help position nouns. Conjunctions connect words or groups of words. Words like and, but, and, or are conjunctions. Lastly, we have interjections. Interjections express strong emotions. Think of wow or ouch as examples. We covered nouns, verbs, adjectives, pronouns, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Each part of speech has a unique role in a sentence. Understanding these will improve your writing and speaking. Now, it's your turn. Practice identifying parts of speech in your sentences. In the next video we will discuss about mastering punctuation. Stay connected with us. Thank you.